Hello everyone, how do you do today? We hope that you're always in perfect and healthy conditions. And for today, we are going into the last part of speech, or the ninth one, which are the interjections. Before we get into the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so in case we are uploading a new video, you won't be missing it, and we can always stay in touch. To start off, the definition of an interjection is actually a short sound, word or phrase spoken suddenly to express an emotion. So it's very short, it's not even a sentence, it's only instant expressions. And for today's interjections, we're going to go directly to the examples because there is no categories. So we're just going to give you the direct examples. The first one, as you can read from your screen, is the exclamation of fear, or ah! Something like that. If I may put the example into a real sound, it would be ah! They're going to eat me, said the gingerbread. Of course, when you're saying this interjection, you should feel the emotion of fear or being frightened, because AAH with an exclamation mark, when you find it inside a writing, is actually an interjection to show fear. The second one is my favorite, bingo. Bingo is used to acknowledge that something is right or something is going according to your will or your plan. For example, as you can see on your screen, bingo, you got it right finally. See, the emotion is quite pleasant or amused. And the third one is is expressed to show that you're thinking or hesitating about something. For example, should I get hamburger or noodle for lunch? Like this person is thinking about his lunch's options, whether it is burger or noodle. And to express that he is thinking at the moment, he is the interjection of which one should I buy? The red one or the blue ones? Or what, for example, your friend asks you, what do you think of my newest painting? And then you want to say that it is bad, but you don't want to hurt his feeling. You're just going it's interesting. That's actually an expression of hesitation. The next one is, ew. Expression of finding something is disgusting. Me personally, I will use this interjection every time I see a cockroach, because for me cockroaches are disgusting. But maybe other people can use it to different kind of things. Like my friend she doesn't like garlic. Every time she eats something with garlic on it, she'll say, ew, does it have garlic in it? Okay, and then the example of ew is, ew, get it away from me. Maybe this person is allergic to mink fur, and then somebody just gave her a mink fur coat. She just said, ew, get it away from me. Or somebody is discarded of snakes because of the scales and everything. You could say too, ew, get it away from me. Ew. That's how you read it. And the last interjection would be, wow. I think this is the most common one. Everybody should be knowing this interjection. Wow is used to express amazement, or like when you see or hear something wonderful, you tend to use this one. Wow, that is totally awesome. Wow, that is totally awesome. Or wow, that dress is really beautiful. Or wow, that sculpture is made really beautifully. Like you're amazed with something and you want to appreciate it by verbal words. You can use this interjection, wow. So to sum up, everyone, we provided you with several examples of interjections today. The expression of fear, which is and then to express that something is right or pleasing you, bingo. Expressing hesitation or the moment that you're thinking, The next one is expression of disgusting, when you're disgusted. Ew. And the last one is amazement. Wow. So be wise in using the interjections, because Using them without the correct tone might lead into confusion. And we have come into the last part of interjections. Because all the interjections have already been discussed, don't worry, we're going to be back with a new topic next week. And until then, we always hope you the best of luck and bye bye.